Hi, my name is Jayesh Patel. I'm the CEO of Wio Bank. This is you're meeting me here at Seamless, fantastic event to meet a ton of different companies and innovations in the financial services space.
How do you find Seamless so far?
Look, I think it's a fantastic event. I've been coming for years. Every year it gets bigger. We see companies, locally new companies, which are doing amazing stuff. We see global companies here. You get to meet great people. I think it's a fantastic event.
So it's a fantastic event. Jayesh, this is CEO of Wio Bank, a big name in the industry. I would tell me about what value has Wio Bank offered and the regional landscape, digital landscape. How do you see the regional digital landscape of this, all the new happenings in the fintech industry?
Yeah, so look, I think like every region, fintech is booming in our region. I think it's great. I think new ideas bring more choice to customers. And at the end of the day, customers win. So I think that's fantastic. What's unique in our region, UAE especially, is the government's doing a lot. There's a lot of digitization that happens that helps accelerate, act like a catalyst, to make private sector move faster, which is amazing. So I think there's a lot happening in our region in this space. As far as Wio Bank is concerned, look, we are a new digital bank. We launched about 20 months ago. Our view is simple. We are built for the customer. We want to make sure all our customers who are with us get further ahead by being with Wio, achieve more of their goals. That's what we want to do. We launched 20 months ago with our SME business and just about a year ago with our personal business. They've been growing phenomenally. We're very happy about it. And so it's an exciting space for us.
Tell me about your journey as a CEO. You said 20 months now. You've been coming into the picture. I think you have a lot of responsibilities before. Tell me about the roles that you are into right now, and it's a growing industry, of course.
Yeah, look, when I was growing up, being a banker was boring. Yeah. Now suddenly it's cool. Yeah. So it's great to be in an industry that's finally cool. But there's a lot happening. There's a lot happening from the industry side. There's a lot happening from the consumer side. And I think that keeps the industry exciting. Previously, I launched a digital bank and went to 2 different countries with it. I think so the transition to this was fairly natural. I'm still very excited about the space. I think it's phenomenal. It has its challenges. Managing money is getting more and more complicated. Governance continues to be complicated. Processes get complicated. The type of companies, there's new versions of them coming out. So I think there's a lot of complexity. But solving that complexity and making it easy for the customer, I think that's the exciting part. I also get to work with a brilliant team, a really, really, really good team that I learn a lot from. So it's exciting.
So let me put it this way: fintech is more exciting than a bank.
I'd say banking is exciting today. Yeah, I'll be politically correct on this.
Okay, I take that. Now asking you on Seamless, are you showcasing anything here, and what exciting are you doing at Seamless?
Yeah, so look, we are here almost every year. We like coming here. We speak to a lot of our customers. We get a lot of feedback from our customers. First, to build our products right, it's important we are close to our customers. This is one of the forums we can do that. The second thing is we meet a lot of great people, a lot of great companies that help us figure out how we can grow. One of my views is one of the biggest difference in digital is the role of partnerships. If you go back 20 years ago, not just banks, many companies did everything themselves. With digital, everyone has realized you need to figure out how you specialize. And at forums like this, you meet incredible people with great ideas so that you can grow through partnerships. So we meet our customers and we meet our partners.
So you meet your partners. Okay, let me ask you this in terms of integration and embedding to the market. How do you envision Aani's role in this region, and any Aani integration plans for Wio Bank?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, I think it's a phenomenal service. I think it's grow incredibly as a payment platform. And it gives customers another level of ease, making banking better here. So I know they have a huge roadmap of features. We are very excited about it. We're going to have it integrated, and we'll work with them on through the journey.
Could you spill out any strategy that you would be coming up with on that?
Some of these things are best when we announce them, so I'll leave it to that. But some exciting things, I think they are an exciting initiative, and I think consumers are going to love the services they provide.
Exciting initiatives. I take that word. Let me ask you this question. For the support of SMEs, Wio Bank is contributing to the growth of SMEs in a larger way, as I understand. How do you see the challenge of KYC, and how are you leveraging KYC strengths to extend facilities for SMEs? And what measures have you taken for data privacy also?
Yeah, so look, I think as we evolve, the UAE is unique. Everybody from the world comes here, sets up business. It's a great place to do business. So I think the KYC complexities remain. We have multiple ways we address this. We integrate directly with company registration zones. Like I said, I think the government's doing a ton of initiatives to bring digital capabilities, digital information. For example, the ICA you can access digital identity through them. So I think there's a lot of government initiatives that we can piggyback on to help. We have a strong compliance and governance team that checks all this. Some automated, but some manually. So we go through the process. We have a good operational process to enable this, and we continue to enhance and change as the requirements continue to evolve and the type of companies continue to evolve. Data privacy is important. We always get customer consent, but for us as a bank, we protect customers' data. There's clear regulations around this, and we are committed to this. But we also want to give customers the option. When you want to share data so that you can get a benefit, we want to give you this option. There's a fantastic set of rules coming out on open finance that the regulator here is launching. I think that will really help the industry grow. Consumers get more choice. So I think it's a fantastic initiative, and that will allow data to be controlled by the consumer so they can get more benefits out of it.
Of course, data privacy is a big concern, and moving forward, I am sure a lot of regulations would come around that. Let me ask you this, considering the shift that's happening from traditional to digital banking, do you believe Wio Bank is setting in a trend for other banks to follow, or what are some challenges that digital banks face, particularly in terms of app dependency and reaching out to consumers?
Yeah, so look, I'll tell you, our view is we want to focus on the customer. We build our products to serve our customers and address the needs they have, and that's our primary focus. I think if you address the needs of the customers correctly, transparently, and with a great experience, rewarding customers, you will win. So I give you an example. We give 5.5% interest, one of the highest interest for our customers. Our SME platform is filled with features. You don't just get a transactional account, you have multi-currency accounts. You can create invoices, you can get virtual cards on it. We really help you. You can save for your rent and VAT. We help you manage your money. So I think the inherent proposition has to be how you're helping the customer. Digital is now, to me, a foundational level. So our focus is how can we make managing your money better for an individual or a business so you can focus on your life or your business. I think if you do that well, you will grow. And the same applies not just to banking, but any industry. So we think closer to the customer, more transparent, and give them more, and you'll grow.
Jayesh, let me ask you one thought on that. So how are you managing competition so far? I will say, Wio Bank is growing big. It's been always buzzing everywhere. How have you been doing that competition part? But just tell me a bit on that.
Yeah, so look, I think competition is great because competition keeps you on your toes. When you do something, you always know there's others besides you, maybe some ahead, some behind. So you're always focused on competition. Again, our mantra is simple. Focus on the customer, serve them well. We just did our NPS last month. Our SME and retail customer NPS is in the 70s. We are very happy to make our customers happy. That is our focus. We learn great things from our competitors, Our core objective is our customers. That's what we focus on.
With that, I'm closing the interview. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you, Jay.
Pleasure to talking to you too.